Update on the newly developed tropical storm Conson, Philippine name Jolina, hugging the coast of Samar right now, the southern part of the island, as a tropical storm and intensifying significantly. It's spun up out of pretty much nothing in the last 24 hours and is likely to push through the islands and could become a typhoon as it does so. Currently winds are at 60 miles per hour, which is 95 kilometers per hour, with a pressure estimate around 989 millibars, moving west-northwest at 13 kilometers per hour. Right now it's a CDPS stage 2 for a potential landfall location, Borongan City, tonight. Wind speed won't be huge, obviously, given that it's 60 miles per hour, but it could still cause damage. But the rainfall factor is really what we're looking at, where rainfall amounts could reach 300 millimeters along these islands. Stage 2. As of 9 p.m. this September 6th, there it is, its location. A very small wind field at the moment, compact right now I think is the operative word, and as it moves towards the northwest over the islands, that wind field might expand a little bit. Currently distances in kilometers from land, 28 kilometers only from Hainan, 89 from Borongan City, 116 from Tacloban, 342 from Legazpi, and 675 from Manila. Signal 2 warnings are in effect for parts of Samar right now, with Signal 1 warnings extending up towards southeastern Luzon. Catanduanes also under the Signal 1 warning at this time, as well as parts of Leyte and the islands towards the south, Dinagat and Surigao. Currently, this is what all of the agencies are saying. The JTWC and the Force 13 up at 60 miles per hour. JMA and PAGASA much lower, around 45 to 50 miles per hour there. NOAA and SSEC ADT around the same point. This is the JTWC forecast, expecting 2 typhoon peaks as we go on through the next 5 days. The storm to pass just north of Manila into the South China Sea and could make a typhoon landfall on Hainan on day 5. Now that is a pretty uncertain prediction right now. The track of the storm could trend north or south of there. Certainly Vietnam, I think, should be watching this pretty closely. But along the eastern coast of the Philippines there, you can see typhoon possibilities there for southeastern Luzon and the Bicol Region. This is what the GFS model is saying right now, calling for the storm to intensify and then slow down as it reaches the coast of Vietnam. Those yellows reaching typhoon status. The greens there, that's tropical storm force winds, gale force, can still cause damage. And there it is moving on for Vietnam. And this is the rainfall projections. So you can see a big red area there over parts of Luzon, and then the pink areas over Vietnam there. If that model verifies, then you're looking at massive amounts of rain for Vietnam. Still large amounts for the Philippines, pushing 500 millimeters in this imagery. For Vietnam, even more. Sea surface temperatures are certainly going to aid the storm in being able to produce all of that rainfall and humidity. Temperatures around the storm right now roughly 29 degrees Celsius, pushing 30 degrees as it reaches land, and in the South China Sea a little cool pocket out there, but generally temperatures 29 pushing 30 degrees as it nears the coast of Vietnam. This is what the models are saying right now, and they may be a little bit behind because of the storm's rapid intensification from nothing really, but calling for a typhoon peak generally. Wind shear there is going to be rather low, 10 knots dropping down towards 5. Sea surface temperatures obviously never going to be a problem. Relative humidity is looking pretty good, so all of these factors in the storm's favor right now. The land interaction would be the only thing that would inhibit strengthening to any degree by the looks of things. So here it is on satellite imagery. You may see the potential formation of an eye there just off the coast of Samar, and you can probably see it even more clearly there on the water vapor imagery, very close to the coast right now and just moving up, sliding up the eastern coast of Samar, and we're probably going to get a landfall there pretty soon in the next few hours, and then it will move overland over those higher elevations and then back over the water again off the eastern part of Luzon and Catanduanes, and it could become a typhoon as it does so.